Want to automate your investing and build wealth steadily? Here's how to set up recurring investments on Interactive Brokers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to schedule recurring investments on Interactive Brokers so you can invest regularly without lifting a finger. Step 1. Log into your Interactive Brokers account on the client portal. Step 2. Navigate to the Recurring Investments section under the Funding and Transfers menu. Step 3. Click on Create New Recurring Investment. Step 4. Select the security or fund you want to invest in regularly. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to invest each time. Step 6. Choose the frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Step 7. Set the start date for your recurring investment plan. Step 8. Review your setup and confirm the details. Step 9. Submit the recurring investment order. Quick tip, make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account before each scheduled investment to avoid failed transactions. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.